Hello everyone, welcome to Score Exams. Today we are going to discuss some important previous year questions based on the chapter Surface Chemistry. Let's begin our session. First question, why are medicines more effective in colloidal state? Why are medicines more effective in colloidal state? To answer this question, first we must know what are colloids. A colloid consists of a dispersion medium and a dispersed phase. And these colloids have a very large surface area, so the medicines get easily assimilated, absorbed and digested. This is the reason why medicines are more effective in their colloidal state. In our daily life, we come across with different types of colloidal solutions. Jellies, blood, milk, butter, cheese, paint, cosmetics. All these are examples of colloidal solutions. Depending upon the size of the particles, these solutions can be classified into three. They are true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. True solutions just like sugar solution, salt solution, etc. It is a homogeneous mixture. It consists of a solute and a solvent. But the colloidal solution and suspension both are heterogeneous mixtures. For a true solution is considered the size of the particles is less than 1 nanometer, and for colloidal particles the size of the particles vary from 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. A suspension is having a particle size greater than 100 nanometer. The true solutions cannot be separated by using a single filter paper. Colloids also cannot be separated by using a filter paper, but suspension can be separated by using a filter paper. The true solution doesn't show Tyndall effect. Now what is Tyndall effect? Let's see what is Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect, it is clear from the picture. Tyndall effect is the phenomenon in which the path of the light becomes visible. Here you can see the copper sulfate solution doesn't show Tyndall effect, but a mixture of water and milk shows Tyndall effect. This is because the particle size of the second mixture is quite larger than the first one. So colloidal solutions show Tyndall effect. Suspension also sometimes shows Tyndall effect, but the solute particles of true solution doesn't show Tyndall effect. Also, the true solutions, the particles do not settle down due to gravity. Colloidal solutions also, the particles do not settle down due to gravity. But for suspension, particles may settle due to gravity. Some of the examples of true solution are salt solution, sugar solution, etc. For colloidal solution, it is blood, milk, etc. are examples of colloidal solutions. As example of suspension is the chalk powder and water. This is the three main classifications of solutions. Now let's see what are the different types of colloids. The colloids are classified on the basis of state of dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. If the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium both are solids, then these colloids are called solid salts. Gemstones are one of the examples of this solid salt. When the dispersed phase is a solid and the dispersion medium is a liquid, then it is known as a sol. Paints, cell fluids, etc. are examples of these kinds of sols. When solid is the dispersed phase and gas is the dispersion medium, it is known as aerosol. Dust particles, smoke, they are examples of aerosols. If the dispersed phase is a liquid and the dispersion medium is a solid, then these type of colloids is known as gel. Cheese, jellies are the examples of gel. If both dispersed phase and the dispersion medium are liquids, then it is known as emulsion. Milk, hair cream, butter, these are examples of emulsions. When the dispersed phase is a liquid and the dispersion medium is a gas, then it is known as aerosol, fog, mist, cloud, insecticide sprays. These are examples of aerosols. When the dispersed phase is a gas and the dispersion medium is a solid, then it is known as solid salt. Pumice stone, foam rubber are all examples of the solid salts. When the dispersed phase is a gas and the dispersion medium is a liquid, then it is known as a foam. Froth, whipped cream, soap lather, these are examples of foam.